When a disease spreads across countries, who helps the world respond? That's the job of the WHO, or World Health Organization. WHO stands for the World Health Organization. It was created in 1948 to improve health and save lives around the world. Today, WHO has 194 member countries working together to tackle global health challenges. These include fighting diseases, responding to outbreaks, and improving healthcare systems. WHO plays a major role during health emergencies, such as pandemics and natural disasters. It provides guidance, shares research, and helps countries prepare and respond effectively. WHO also sets global health standards, supports vaccination programs, promotes mental health, and works to ensure everyone has access to safe medical care. WHO's headquarters is in Geneva, Switzerland, where experts coordinate international health efforts. In short, WHO brings countries together to protect health, prevent disease, and create a healthier world for everyone. See you in the next video for more quick explanations.